Okay, so what did you guys find out about, what did you do here? Did you look that up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you looked up hepatic cell carcinoma. Okay, and what'd you get?
C22.
C22.0. And that was liver, right? So now you know this is secondary. Okay, so you're going to code secondary lung. Did you get C78.0?
Yes.
00. Yeah, sorry. And then did you get C22.0?
Yes.
And that's how that one codes. Because it's telling us this usually starts in the liver. We got it in the lung, so lung is secondary, liver is primary.
We're coding secondary first because that's what we're treating.
Because, yeah, that's all that's mentioned. They don't even talk about the liver there. Okay, so on this one, you probably should have looked up C-cell carcinoma. Okay, unspecified site. And you got what?
C73.
C73, which is the thyroid, right? So you know this is secondary. But it's the only thing mentioned, so brain's going to go first. You get C7931 and then C73. Okay. And the last one, he looked up eosinophilia carcinoma, and did you get what?
Pituitary.
Okay. C75.1, which is pituitary. So now we know this is primary. But we know it's metastatic, so we got an unknown secondary. So you should have C75.1 and C79.9. Because how are we going to treat an unknown site? Okay. Okay, what's going on here?
Hyperhidrosis.
Okay, and how much? Yes, you don't know. See
sweat.
sweating.
Yeah.
Okay, so that codes out to R61. Okay, and then we got what for our adrenal going? C74.91. Which one goes first?
C74.
Because this is an endocrine gland. Okay, so this is an endocrine dysfunction, and it will go after the neoplasm. Don't get hung up on that though, because that's just endocrine. So you can't think everything that's due to the neoplasm, like hydration, dehydration. You know, that's not, we don't put it second if that's what they're admitted for. If they come in for the neoplasm and they get dehydrated, yes. So just mainly watch it on your endocrine.
So can they get dehydration from an endocrine gland? And if that was the case, would it flip it?
I think I would see what, like if they got it at the same time, like when we diagnosed it. But yeah, if it's due to that tumor, it's supposed to be second.
Unless it's endocrine. Dehydration is due to a tumor is first. But
It depends on why they're being admitted.
Okay.
If they're being admitted for the dehydration, then it's going to be first. I don't know what's going to happen if it's due to functionally active. Don't be messing with me on that. Toss a coin. Hopefully that's not one of the endocrine dysfunction. You know, it's going to be more like your hormonal things, or things that hormones cause, because that's what's coming out of the endocrine glands. Okay. Whereas dehydration is just a loss of water and electrolytes. Okay. But good question. Making me think, don't believe me. All right. Any other questions on the neoplasm chapter?
Yeah, that third one there, I only coded C75.1.
Okay, but because it says metastatic, you know you got two sites.
Codes, okay.
And you don't know the secondary site, so you got to put unknown secondary.
Okay, so when metastatic, we're always going to have two codes.
Whenever it says metastatic, you're
Okay.
going to have two codes,
Okay.
primary and secondary.
Got it.
Yep. Anything else?
When is our test?
Here's the scoop. I think I gave you a preliminary review of the scoop. But here's the scoop. I am going to have another worksheet for you, but I don't have it ready to give to you tonight. So I'm going to post it on Blackboard. I will have it out there before tomorrow night. Okay? You know, I don't get here till noon, so it might not show up till afternoon, but it'll be there before tomorrow night. That worksheet will be over circulatory and neoplasm, and it will be due Monday. Okay? Then you'll have your test over circulatory and neoplasm on Wednesday. Only those 2 chapters you'll be tested on. Okay? I'm going to start lecturing tonight on genitourinary. I will finish up on Monday, and on Wednesday night I will give you a worksheet that you can either come back on Wednesday night and go over it, or you can email it to me, and you know, just you don't get the feedback except in writing when you come back in the summer. Okay? So that's the story. You won't really have a huge honkin' final exam. You'll have a worksheet that's
a huge honking
Test.
So you're gonna give that to us next Wednesday night?
Next Wednesday night.
And
It's due the
Wednesday?
following Wednesday.
Okay.
You can send it in before then if you want, but it's due by Wednesday. And I will be here at our regular class time to go over it. Okay?
And that's just gonna cover the, which chapter?
Genitourinary.
That's it.
That's it. Okay?
You are, we like you a bit more.
So, just tonight, right?
Don't say that till we see the worksheet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
worksheets first.
Well, I already told the day class you guys beg for harder worksheets.
No.
So that worksheet.
This kind right here was just fine.
Was it?
Yes.
The neoplasm one?
Yes.
Wasn't too
All
bad,
of them
was
were
it?
Just the full was awesome.
So the worksheet you're gonna give, or you're gonna put on Blackboard is due
Monday.
Okay.
Mhm. It'll be due Monday. It'll be over circulatory and neoplasm. It's another chance to get it down before the test.
You said the worksheet, that last worksheet, we can come in May, like that first Wednesday in May.
Yeah, the
To
finals
review
week.
it.
Finals
Yeah,
week.
okay,
Yeah.
final week, okay.
Mhm.
And
So
that's
that
Wednesday.
Monday, no class.
No class on that Monday.
Okay.
And I'll write it down again. I'll put it on Blackboard or something.
Can we come to the
With
early
dates.
class on Wednesday? Okay, thanks.
You may.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay. All right, so we're on page 260, genitourinary.